How to sell handmade natural perfumes on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So here we have, as you can see, we have a lot of products, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products. So for example, let's check this product, which costs $78. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, where you can list the pictures of your product, enter the price, enter the description and the sizes and all of that. Also how to add the item details and the more about your product. And last, I'm going to show you how you can set the shipping and return policies that suits you. So let's just go back to the main page, which is this one. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have to go through 6 steps in order to set your Etsy shop. The first one is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you stock your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So let's choose this name, for example. Remove the spaces between words and try to shorten the name. So let's remove handmade. And here the name is already taken. So let's just add a number to make it unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So here in the third step, you stock your shop. You add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details about your product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here the first one is the photos. You will need at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need also to enter a price for the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping. You will need to fill these red fields as well. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here we enter the title of the product. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have three options to choose from: I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? We have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And then we have the category. So here, just enter the product's name and we'll have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose fragrances. Then we have the primary color. Choose the secondary color as well. Choose the size and choose a unit for that. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to go with an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to go with the manual one, which is free. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then with the description, in order to give the product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. So if there are any production partners, you can add them in here. Then we have the section tags and materials, and there are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then you have the pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your client as well. Then here you have the domestic and global pricing. If you want to turn it on or off, so you should just keep it off for now. And here you leave the quantity that you have in that product. And here if you have any SKU, you can type it in here. Then we have the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill these red fields with the right information. So for example, for the processing time, let's say it takes from 5 to 7 days. Then we have the standard shipping. You have the delivery time in here, the business days, and the same thing with everywhere else. And then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one or create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.